We all know that Adobe Premiere Pro is a super optimized software. The goal of this video was to optimize Premiere Pro for your computer. Either you're using a computer with an integrated graphics card, you're using a slow integrated audio drive, or I don't know. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to change is audio latency under audio. What is latency in that case? It's a measurement of the time between the computer saying make the sound and the sound card making the sound. It's also controlling the audio buffer size, in which the video card has to process a certain amount of audio before actually starting to play the file. 200 milliseconds is not that bad, but you can actually get something better out of 100 milliseconds. Not that I noticed anything, but the thing with autosave is that if you're using a disk drive and you're working with a super loaded project and you're also using this disk drive to store your media files, the software is gonna have a hard time playing and also saving files while doing so. So the data throughput on your disk drive is gonna skyrocket, and this may actually crash Adobe Premiere Pro. So my not a rule of thumb, but if you're using an disk drive, I don't know, maybe try to disable automatically project saving, because it happens time to time when I used to use disk drives and Adobe Premiere Pro would crash because it was about to save the project files while I'm doing my intense shit. Because I'm using a SSD, which is far better in terms of data throughput, so right now I'm going to change mine to save every 1 minute. And the really important thing is you have to set your movie audio and videos to the red label, because it's been proven that using a red color for anything improves performance from 5 to 50%. So try this. The next one is under the media reference. It's growing files. In a nutshell, what are growing files? They are, let's just say that, okay, let's take the example that you are recording something using an external monitor, or you're downloading something from the web, and the download as sequential download supported. So let's say that you have already downloaded 10 minutes of a video file that you needed, and if you import it and the video is still downloading, you won't have the additional files after this 10-minute mark. So what growing files will do is automatically refresh the files to have the new data inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, not inside, it's a NLE, so yeah. So because I'm not using this kind of setup, I'm going to disable growing files. And also make sure that H.264 and H.265 audio acceleration is also turned on. And next is media cache. The rule of thumb is to actually save your cache on your fastest drives. That's why we recommend a solid state drives when doing video editing. In my opinion, it's not really that important with Premiere Pro. Right here it says saved CFA and PECAF. If you didn't know CFA and PEK files what they are, it's essentially when you import video with audio in them, Premiere Pro will actually re-render these audio files using a proprietary CFA extension, and the PEK files are actually the wave meter, to actually show them in the timeline. Just, I don't know, they are cached. Try to save them on a fast drive too. I usually automatically delete mine after, let's say, 14 days. Yeah. And for memory, even though I say Premiere Pro to save 2 gigs for the other software, it tends to use like 40 to save like 95 to 80, from 80 to 90%. It tends to use more than that, so I just leave it like this. And due to the fact that I have a fast SSD on this device, even though it tends to use more than that, my swap files is actually pretty fast, so I don't notice any like system hang or crashes anymore because. And to the playback, disable Mercury Transmit. If you don't know what Mercury Transmit is, it's a software layer baked onto Premiere Pro to external monitors. If you're not broadcasting things, I don't know, but if you're not using, if using second monitors is not really important, you can leave this disabled. That's already it. So that's been it for today's video. If you have any suggestion for any future videos, or if you would like to see how you can optimize your computer hardware-wise to make better videos on it, let me know in the comment section. So my name is Kensei. As you can see, I do tech videos. My name is Kensei. I already said that. My name is Kensei, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and also make sure to follow me on my social networks. Bye.